Then you obsess, play me on repeat, 끝없이 in your head. Anytime at all.
It is a python that is so big that it would wrap around Uncle Vernon's car twice and crush it. The snake was not moving the snake. TK! Dudley orders his father. This time, Uncle Vernon knocks loudly on glass. But the snake continues sleeping. This is boring, says Dudley, and he walks away. Harry looks into the python's tank. He feels bad for the python. The only people who come to see the snake are stupid people who get glass and try to make the snake do something interesting. Harry thinks it must be worse than living in a small room under the stairs, where the only visitor is Aunt Petunia, who knocks on the door to wake him up. At least, Harry thinks, he can visit the rest of the house. Suddenly, the snake opens its small black eyes. It raises its head very, very slowly until it is looking straight into Harry's eyes. Then it winks. The snake
아이돌은 다른 색으로 해야 되겠다. 그치?
next to the glass. Harry looks at it. How constricting.
Your
한 손을 내리고 있을까? 아니네. 아니네. 유라야. 안녕하세요. 내려.
감사합니다.
네, 안녕히 가세요. 은유라 이거.
뭐 일단 지금 기오니까 휴대폰은 바로 넣고
그래.
휴대폰은 바로 넣고 비 오면은 진짜
비가 와갖고.
해. 도장 풀어버려.
은유라 자꾸 밖으로 가면 어떡해. 거기서 펴야지. 가자 이제.
다음에 이제 조금
문을 열었습니다.